Hey there, movie buffs! Ever wondered why some of your favorite online streaming platforms are off limits in the UAE? Stick around, because we've got all the answers for you, plus a surprise solution at the end. In the UAE, popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Hotstar are restricted due to regulations and cultural considerations. But fear not, there's a way to bypass these restrictions and enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Enter Mena VPN, your ticket to unlocking Netflix, Hotstar, and more while in the UAE. Here's how to do it. 1. Subscribe to Mena VPN for fast and secure access. 2. Download and install the app on your device. 3. Connect to a server in a country where your desired streaming service is available. 4. Open the streaming app or website and start enjoying your favorite content hassle-free. Why choose Mena VPN? It's not just about access, it's about speed and security too. With Mena VPN's optimized servers, you can stream in high quality without buffering or lag. Plus, their strong encryption protocols keep your online activities private and secure, so don't let geo restrictions hold you back. Unlock a world of entertainment with Mena VPN today. And here's the surprise. Use the discount code in the description for a special offer on Mena VPN.